Cabbage is a versatile and healthy vegetable that can be cooked in many different ways. Here is a simple recipe for making cabbage at home. Ingredients: 1 head of cabbage, finely sliced. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons oil, canola, vegetable or olive oil. 1 teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon black pepper. A half teaspoon paprika. A half teaspoon cumin, optional. A half teaspoon coriander, optional. Fresh parsley or cilantro leaves, chopped for garnishing. Instructions: in a large skillet or wok, heat the oil over medium heat. Add chopped onion and garlic and saute until the onion is translucent. Add sliced cabbage to the pan and stir to combine with the onion and garlic. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring frequently. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, cumin, and coriander to the pan. Stir well to evenly distribute the spices. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until the cabbage is tender but not mushy. Once the cabbage is cooked, remove the lid and cook for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally until any excess liquid has evaporated. Transfer the cabbage to a serving dish and garnish with chopped parsley or cilantro leaves. Your cabbage is now ready to be enjoyed as a side dish with your favorite meal. You can also add some protein or other vegetables to make it a complete meal. Enjoy!